on, mate. Dead on. Fucking knees are aching.
Fuck, I'd say so. How long did that take you?
Fuck. God knows, mate.
Fuck, good job, mate.
The fuck's that noise? What's up here, Granny?
She's just doing a fucking there's a lot of comp, mate. Damn, fuck's sake, party.
That happens, mate.
Not that, mate. It dies every year.
Must be the summer bug.
Fucking... My ass freaking out, or I was freaking out because I got pulled in the hospital today.
Your mad? Oh, what's wrong with your mad?
She went to the doctor for a checkup. She got her fucking, you know, your blood pressure done.
Hi.
It was like 210 over like 130, and you're like straight to the Royal, you're gonna have a heart attack or a stroke. And I was like, fuck's sake.
It's sure, right?
Mate, it's just fucking always like that. Every time she goes in the doctors, they always put her in the straight in the fucking Royal. She's not taking her
Fuck's sake.
care black out. She's like, and everyone's texting me, your mum's in hospital, granny's dying. I was like, fuck's sake.
What's in the water up there, you cunts?
Paddles in the water, mate.
There must be, mate.
Two for
Where's
the
your
price
granny
of
live in
one,
the
mate.
lane?
Nah, she moved to Newcastle.
Newcastle?
Oh, wait,
Not a bad wee spot either.
it's just awkward, like. What? You're alright.
Saying I'm.
That's it, mate.
All women are
things
always
today?
awkward.
But this woman's mate, this is a fucking female Hitler, like. Can't do anything right about her fucking. Italian cunt.
Your granny?
Oh,
You tell her I'm coming for her.
don't like give me the fucking dust. I can only deal with her so much. I'm like, I can't deal with her. Fuck that. Better boomer bastard. That's what I call her. Like.
Better bigger bastard, Jesus Christ.
Boomer, like. She's a big boomer. Give like Oliver's fucking wife. And I say, Nanny, you know, castle's full of Catholic, like, they'll put you out.
We'll put you out, what's you say?
They're not fucking put me. Oh boy. Fuck off. I can't have a party anymore.
The one you're, the one that lives here?
Alright, Black Prince, alright.
Oh yes.
She is, and he's like, hey, well, I'm bringing a race around the water. I was like, oh, you fuck.
Not my watch.
I say, I'll be here, like, he's like, you gonna be here? I was like, of course I will.
I will be now.
I locked my fucking door, mate. Satan
Put the key in the
bastards.
door. Oh, here they
Satan
are.
cunts. Can't trust them.
I wouldn't. Where am I?
Had a nice dinner. Had a nice dinner all week, extra spit. Big greeners and everything in it.
Oh, stinks. Fuck's sake.
Yeah, that's safe for not voicing up.
Yeah, you're not wrong, mate. Stinking.
You know what I mean? I have a place, when I finish, I have a place spotless, like, and then they're coming ragged. So I was like, right, is that right?
I made it's fucking uncalled for, like.
Oh, Big greeners and everything.
What's this? Thai green curry. Fucking eat it.
Not even curry, mate. It's black shit. I wouldn't get him a dog.
Oh,
I don't even know what the fuck it is. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, okay. Can the Johnny here, if he's looking at a Liverpool top, I give him 20 quid.
that's not bad.
Get a pound for back, £100. Fucking 20 quid, like.
Any
Yeah,
platinum ones?
Aye, any top, any colour, anything. Gaelic tops, a whole lot.
Mate.
Next 4 weeks.
4 weeks isn't that bad.
Pair of TMs ordered, like.
What?
TM, shoes. Can't get them in the shops, so like, really, I'm gonna get something. Can't get.
Did you say DMs? Like as
No,
in them
TM.
boots?
No, fuck's sake. They're
Don't
TMs.
say you big dirty fucking stinking goth cunt you.
Don't see ghosts anymore, dude. Don't see him talks about.
What you do? I'll send you one. I'll send you a video.
I remember fucking at Kieran's house party we were at, and someone came in wearing them DMs, and I was like, "You're my DMs."
Get out of my Jesus Christ.
I just remember the next day. I was like, "Fuck's sake, yeah."
Oh, big
Uh-oh.
son's dead.
Sniped. What the fuck? I'm like, fuck. Oh, he got me.
Sniper?
No, he was chasing me. I run like fuck.
Where is he? Where are you? Here's a sec. Is he about?
Oh, he should have. Stop it. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Trump. You take the creatine in, double dosing?
I mean, it's soon enough. Hello, won't see me. Just you wait.
You'll be drying up like fuck.
Oh, fuck. I'm getting blitzed. Drying up like fuck, mate. Looking
You trying
forward
to
to it.
look at it at night time? Or during the day?
Night and morning. Just gotta stop us.
I see what I see what you're doing, alright, cause seeing you're taking that creatine, it's just sore heads. I'm just getting sore head after sore head. I'm not drinking enough water.
You can't be doing that there, mate. You need the water in you.
I don't even fucking in the morning and then at night.
Where are you,
What the
mate?
fuck? Get the fuck! How did I get killed? Oh no.
Again?
No. Shit. You underneath?
Aye. Gas is flying in like.
Shit. Oh, look at this cop and bastard. Got me. Dead.
Oh, are they over top?
Oh, they're just sitting there waiting. You working today, were you?
I mean, it was a late one again, for fuck's sake.
Do your reports done?
Deadline was today, so we handed everything over.
Happy days. We're the fucking late one.
You had a late one?
5, fucking half 4 to 3 or something, 4 to 2 I finished. Then an hour and a half to get home. I
Fuck's
was
sake, mate.
fucked. The whole just fell
Oh,
asleep.
fuck. You dirty stinking two cunts. Ugh. Came right in behind me, mate.
Oh boy.
Our late ones are not good for you, mate.
Nah. Talking to Conor McGregor's DJ today, mate. You wanna hear the stories he was telling me? Fucking hell. Mate,
Do you believe him?
I 100% believe him. Mate, he was saying like, I hell. He's like, what's he like? He's like, did you hear in the news? All true, like. Like, see his documentary? What a fucking shit. Don't even watch it. Just get paid off him.
He's
He'll sit in the
documentary.
bar. Cause you sit in the bar and you bring him up, you bring it 50, 60 people up to his wee room and all, just take gear and try and raid them. And he's like, fucking, he's just constantly wiped out. You see his eyes all. He's like, oh.
I love that
Is he
fucking video of him eating a fucking nice lolly. I think he's class.
But I said to him, why isn't Dee not leaving him? He's like, she's waiting to marry him and then clean him up. That's what she's waiting on doing.
One be surprised, mate.
And he says, will you see, give it a few months, or maybe a couple of years, and she gets, him and her get married. She'll clean him out.
Probably. That's probably very true.
And he's like, he says, he said, he said, give a 2 hour set, so I get paid for 2 hours, I think 500 quid for 2 hours. And he'll pack his stuff up, and he'll Connor over and go, here, you're paying in my room now. And he'll, I'm going home, Connor, he's no fucking doing. He's very demanding and all. I was like, is he alright? He's like, fucking hell. Like, fuck him. He's going to, he says, what about him and Chandler? He goes, that was never allowed.
You think so?
She said,
I don't know.
he says, I'm never allowed.
Has to,
Leased
mate.
off his head, geared off his head, cooked off his head. He goes,
What the
biggest test on it'll come back fucking positive for everything.
I'm getting blitzed here, mate.
I call it that. Oh, right, go ahead. Your man told me he's sound as fuck. What do you hear? You know, he's one of these like subcontracted out doing like vehicle checks. Doesn't give a fuck. He's like, I'm charging these fucking £500 a check on and they're paying me. I was like, can I work for you?
Can I work for you? Yeah, you have a laser pointer, do you?
Fuck. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
His dad gay as fuck as well.
I was just gonna bring up my mum. What about his dad?
He's a faggot. Fucking poison his boat.
He's a faggot.
He's a faggot. He's just red and poison his boat.
On his boat.
Gay Tony, they all call him. Call him Gay Tony.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. He's down there, mate. Oh, fucking dirty, stinking cunt. Oh, mate.
I have a shit gun. Oh.
Ah, fucker. Who won't be in there? He's legends.
Hot.
What was the shout? Oh.
Chinese.
Oh shit, he's dead now too, for fuck's sake. You want a Chinese, do you?
You're fuck.
Oh, you dirty cunt. I got one earlier on, mate. Just no fucking noodles. Took him 40 minutes to cook the noodles.
Ah, get the fuck. Yeah, get.
Allez, j'étais à l'œil.
Alex. Rox.
Ouais, mec, on s'en parle pas.
Allô? Allô, le troisième, là, tu nous entends quoi? C'est quoi son nom?
C'est bon.
Oh frérot, t'as un micro?
Viens, on va là.
J'ai mis un ping.
C'est lequel ton ping?
Le bleu. Regarde, on va rentrer par là, là.
Ouais, mais vole mon stuff. Tu peux pas te mettre à couper là-dessus? Si. Putain, mais avec des snipes ici. Sur moi. Les deux, une balle.
C'est combien?
Une
C'est
balle.
combien?
Ils sont deux. Ils vous attendent, ils vous attendent. Trois, ils sont trois.
3.
Une balle de snipe. Et où, allez?
Dans le bâtiment, là où ils sont butés.
Oh non. Oh putain, j'ai un mec à côté de moi. Je suis dans un mec.
Oh, oh, oh. Ah, c'est de la merde, ça, comme bien. Mais non!
T'as su qui est tout seul.
Ah, il a un micro, le gars. Il y en a un autre, il y en a un autre. Mais non! Oh, je le creuse. Oh non. Eh, j'ai des armes de merde.
pañuelo.
Enemigo descendiendo sobre la zona.
Aquí hay algo de blindaje.
En camino. Vuestro equipo entró en la zona segura.
Muevo aquí.
UAV aliado en posición. Me muevo aquí.
Hay refuerzos en camino.
Desplegando radar portátil. Movimiento enemigo.
Un enemigo desciende sobre la zona. Cuidado. El enemigo nos ha expulsado de su red. Habéis perdido la ocasión.
Depósito de munición aquí.
Quedáis 25. Va bastante bien. Enemigo descendiendo sobre la zona.
UAV enemigo encima. Contacto visual
Preparaos.
con enemigo.
Siguiente.
UAV enemigo activo. UAV hostil en la zona.
Avanzo. Me muevo aquí.
Llega un...
Ouais.
Contacto visual con enemigo.
Movimiento enemigo. Apoyo de mortero en camino.
Recibido. Ataque de mortero inminente.
UAV de respuesta enemigo lanzado.
Usando la animación.
Ningún impacto. Hemos fallado.
UAV de respuesta enemigo activo. UAV de respuesta hostil encima.
Sector peligroso.
¡Lanzo granada!
Hay refuerzos en camino.
Movimiento enemigo.
Puta que parió esta merda.
Pá, filho da puta, pá. Como é que...
Un compañero vuelve al combate. Buen trabajo.
¡Me están dando!
Entrega de armamento en camino. Tienes una oportunidad, no la desperdicies.
Y hay un enemigo.
Momento marcado.
Estoy viendo a uno.
UAV enemigo encima. UAV enemigo
¡Lanzando
activo.
granada!
Hay una vulnerabilidad en la red del enemigo. Localizad sus puestos de enlace y asegurad los datos antes de que la resuelvan.
No, juega para otro equipo.
Qué cocos. Złota traja. Ja będzie.
Un enemigo desciende sobre la zona. Cuidado.
To tam już idzie na nerwy trochę. To pada mi.
Fin del calentamiento. Listos para despliegue en la zona de guerra. Sobrevive para redesplegar a tu equipo. Selecciona objetivos para hacerlo más rápido. Llega un soldado enemigo. Objetivos de recompensa marcados. Objetivos de recompensa muertos. Buen trabajo.
Masz nas bramę, czy?
¡Lanzando granada!
Tenéis una estación de suministros en camino.
UAV de respuesta enemigo activo.
Czy? Na zemy, czy? Nazda.
Estación de suministros desplegable lista.
Movimiento de ignorantes.
Enemigo descendiendo sobre la zona.
Zona objetivo marcada. Podéis atacar.
Entendido. Longbow 3-1 en posición.
Przejdziemy na nich.
Equipo está en la zona segura.
Me muevo aquí.
Apoyo de mortero en camino.
De acuerdo. Ataque de mortero en marcha. Ningún efecto en el objetivo.
Chore, co naboje mają.
Llega un soldado enemigo. Entrega de armamento aliada en camino. Pliega. Bien hecho.
Kurwi, poszedł. Jebany. I trotkane, skurwone, jebany. To se ne da, to nie chcę, żebym dopadł, nie rozjebujcie. To kurwa.